morning, another day here in Osaka. So time check, it's 11:48 guys. Today late tayong gumising kasi late din tayong natulog kagabi. Natulog ako mga 2:30 na siguro because I was editing. And then today, itatry natin guys yung mga pagkain sa Lawson. Kasi natry na natin yung breakfast sa 7-Eleven, which was good. Pero yung Lawson naman this time. Today, we are gonna go to Umeda Sky Building and I'm so excited kasi gusto ko doon. Gusto ko doon kasi walang init. Gusto ko talaga yung vibe doon, guys. Kaka-happy. Tapos yung goal namin is punta kami doon pa sunset para makita din natin yung city lights. Kasi alam nyo naman, paborito ko yung city lights. And sunset too. So, ayun. Hindi tayo medyo exposed sa sun today. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, nakapunta na kasi kami dito. Napuntahan na namin yung mga magagandang puntahan talaga. Yung binabalikan namin is yung mga favorites. At saka yung itinerary namin na ginawa is like, i-show around sana yung, okay na day, share day. I-show around sana yung mama ni at saka si Sir Lawrence na din. Yung mga sought after na mga tourist spots dito talaga sa Japan ba? O yun,
book na for Umeda tonight ha?
Alam nyo guys, sabi ko talaga sa inyo, may rason talaga ang lahat. The weather right now is not gonna be suitable for her mom. Mainit talaga siya, humid talaga siya. And the fact na, grabe yung walking talaga dito. Talagang, yung nakakasakit ng talaga, bagtak. Nakakasakit talaga ng paa. Para lang mapuntahan mo yung mga attractions ba? It's not gonna be good for her. So, meron talagang rason. May-realize mo talaga na meron talagang rason ang lahat. And it's for the better most of the time. So, ayun. Parang tsaka ng boses ko ngayon. Zer is not here yet. Nagliligo pa. And after nito is, punta na nga tayo sa Lawson to have our brunch. Already had the vitamins. Up until now, nagva-vitamins pa rin kami. Kasi, pag sobrang init ng panahon, tapos lagi kang pumapasok sa malalamig na mga establishment, mga naka-aircon na establishment, very risky din talaga na magkasakit.
I will get money from the cleanup, okay?
Okay. So, kanang, inaalagaan din talaga namin yung sarili namin dito because after this vacation, trabaho na agad. And hindi pwede tayong mag-pause sa trabaho kasi no work, no pay tayo. So, kailangan talaga alagaan ang sarili. Mag-rest ng maigi. Hindi magpalabi.
So, you say with your passport? My passport is here.
Naasa sa LV na pouch.
Pouch is just mine.
Nakagawas din ako Basta na isa nakagawas. So, kahapon guys, pumunta kami sa mga luxury shops. Second-hand luxury shops. So, hindi namin ina-expect yun kasi naglalakad lang kami papunta sa Dotonbori. Tapos, yun nga, ang dami talagang mga shops. So, nainganyo na lang ako because I'm familiar with Kumeyo. Diyan ko nabili yung bag ko. But that was in Tokyo though. Yun nga, pumasok kami. So, nakita namin yung mga items nila. Marami naman magaganda. Pero, if I'm completely being honest, na-search ko siya. Yung iba, overpriced na sila. So, sabi ko, should I buy second hand? Or, bibili pala. Bakit tayo bibili? Charis, iniisip ko pa lang. Pero yun nga, iniisip ko ba, bibili ako ng second hand or bibili na ako ng brand new? Kasi parang overpriced na yung mga ibang stores dito eh. And then, ang hirap maghanap on all the stores. Iniisip ko nga, dito ba, bibili tayo dito or bibili tayo sa Tokyo. Dito ba ang sulukong toka? Silalim ng araw. Buang.
Hala!
Gumos kayo.
What happened to you? I think you need a little bit of plancha, dear.
You wanna eat moist domain?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hindi ko kita sa kanya outfit. Naka-zoom get. Makeup there. Ginagamit ko na naman ang ating Fenty Beauty na pang ilong. Na once in a blue moon lang natin ginagamit. At parang expire na. Water brush. Kamot na lang. Everbalena for the win! That's my very expensive na blush on na Placard. 160 or 110 pesos only on sale. Baka naman maka-Dior tayo ng ano dyan, Michelle. Walang hilig sa makeup si Michelle. Parang gusto kong i-try yung ano, yung magandang blush on ng Dior. Bakit lahat ng mga tao gustong gamitin yun? Maganda ba talaga yun? The question is, bagay ba sa atin yun? Yung color na ganun. Yun yung problema. Oy!
Some of the thousands.
Stop touching mo muna eh.
10,000. 6, 7, 8. Shit!
Kitaan ba ako video, ha?
Yeah, you saw me. I counted 10. Counted 10. You saw that.
I need to buy mascara. Oh my God, maganda yung mga mascara dito.
You want 1,000 CCs? Thousands?
What today? Almost.
Huy, pag sure ba na plancha ka?
Oh, but wait, this is the. You like the female version of this? Female says.
Patong hair, murag haller. Guys, papaktis pa lang tayo magkulot. Punta tayo sa Lawson na. There. As in, across na lang talaga. And we're hungry kasi mag-aalauna o'clock. Mag-1 o'clock na. Gutom na. Ito, meron na mga itlog. Mga veggies. Mabubuhay ka lang talaga sa pagkain ng Lawson at saka 7-Eleven. Look. Meron ding seafood section dito. Oh. Boiled octopus. Yan. Shellfish snack. Dami. Hindi ka talaga magugutom dito. Dami-daming option.
You will never ever grow hungry here.
In Boston.
And where?
Lawson, Family Mart, ano pa yung isa? 7-Eleven, of course. Yeah, dami option talaga, guys. Tapos, mura lang. Kaka-survive ka na lang talaga. Kahit gawin mo pang everyday, ang dami mo naman option, di ba?
Let's do an everyday challenge.
Uy, everyday challenge. Yung sa town, uy.
It's a
Huwag naman yung everyday, uy.
Convenience store.
Convenience store food for the whole trip. Hindi kaya yan. Eating now. This is what we got from Lawson. What's that?
Hello.
My bread. Meron tayong bread. Bibili ko. Kita nyo ba?
The
This one, the bread. Our food, is that yours?
No.
Huge. So, nainit na namin yung aming food, guys. But pretty much packed na mga pagkain. Ayan. Uy, grabe. Ang laki kay Sir. Ay? Loading! Eto, ipakita ko sa inyo na malapitan. Meron din tayong gyoza.
That should look like it's mixed.
Lawson edition.
Lawson edition.
How much did we pay?
For everything, we paid $45. Ang dami niya. Pang-snack man ng bread. So if ever gusto mag-travel, ang tipid mode lang kayo dito sa Japan, you can survive with Lawson food. And masarap na. A little bit of veggie.
Mix it in. Which one?
Is that a shot roll?
Ang veggie, may okra.
Yeah.
Ano ni siya?
Fish?
Roll?
Sure.
Okay. Sarap. Sarap na itong
You want on top? Inside?
Good.
I know, mine is fish. Mine is fish.
Getting rid of chicken there.
Which is
After
good.
yakisoba. You didn't try it? I did. I tried it already.
So, we are on the move na guys. It's late. Time is already 5 p.m. Hindi tayo gumala masyado kanina. Today is basically our rest day. Nag-relax tayo guys. Bakasyon nga, diba? So, relax-relax tayo ng konti. Tapos, ayun. Ngayon, pupunta tayo ng Omeda Sky Building. We're just waiting for the Zur.
Yes.
Dito na tayo guys sa Omeda Sky Building. Here we go again. The one. Sayang at medyo gloomy today, pero okay lang yan. May muntika na namang maano guys. Ma-fall. Ano yung madagma? Nag-order kami ng food dito. We have carbonara, same kay Michelle. Zur is having rice omelette. Tapos meron tayong matcha soda drink for me. Matcha float. And then Coke float. Let's eat! And this is our view.
Ice cream. Is that the song you were singing? For you and for me and me, entire human race.
I take it back. It was
Oh my God, gabi na guys. Ang ganda na ng city lights. As in.
Just be honest. 내 머릿속에 남아있어 나. Baby you get it. 너의 맘도 날 찾고 있잖아 babe. 조명 사이로 비친 너의 silhouette no. 끌어당겨 날 너에게로 Make me feel like I've been stuck here in time. 시간이 너무 느려. She don't need no love. She don't need no love.
Feels so good to sit down. Just hang out.
We're here. Have fun. Very
No
chill.
worries. We fit.
Guys, yung entrance dito is $8 lang. So, it's a must. Tapos upo ka lang, chill ka lang, tapos tingin ka sa view. Pero later na wala pang view dito.
모습이 안 보이니 Can't handle all of you, no.
Let's have our very late dinner.
It's here. dessert. This come with lemon.
Nice.
Is kinapulay ko anya kisoba. Guys, you have to eat. Okay. Ay, hindi ako suwan. sige natin.
Tuna ang topping.
Tuna? Yeah. Sure. Thank you for that as well.
Okay. You were. Let's try that pork.
Pork's nice as well. Is it chewy?
How is it, sir? Ay, did someone swallow? One eye choo-choo. It's actually good. Lahat. It's Michelle's birthday, guys.
I'm 21.
21.
She's very, very old, Charis. Uy, nga naman din, luspad na
You
kita.
both are the same age now.
No, of course not.
Nilapat ako sa yung age.
OMG, it's Michelle's birthday. And we are celebrating it here in the intersection.
The land of the rising sun. The land of the rising sun. But it's dark.
Is it exactly 12? Is it?
It is.
Ah, it's double one. O, yan. Nag-aantay kami ng ano, go.
Go.
Go signal.
It's okay.
How is it to be old? Jealous.
How is it?
Oh yeah, the oldest.
Everything hurts.
Wait, that's true talaga.
That's why you have to start taking fish oil. Yes,
But
that's true.
you will have fish breath.
You'll have fish breath. Your fart will smell like fish.
The worst part is you have fish face.
Oh, good luck.
Guys, tonight is our last night here in Osaka. We're gonna go to Kyoto tomorrow. So tonight is actually packing day.
Yeah.
Packing night!
And it's Michelle's birthday!
Walking shit.
Yes, it's Michelle's birthday!
I'm gonna wear this on your birthday, Michelle. It's red.
So ano, anong oras na? Oh my god! Anong oras na? Uy, 12:20 na and tomorrow is another day.
You just talked about it.
We did.
We're dead.
We did.
So game tomorrow is 9. My drop not going to run.
So,
So what's gonna happen tomorrow?
9 a.m.
we're gonna surprise Michelle.
Happy birthday to you. Ionang suga. Happy birthday to you.
Walay like.
Happy birthday, wa me lighter. Happy birthday to you. Wala kaming lighter. Michelle, did you know that we are gonna surprise you? Surprise is success ba?
It is! Was it success? I don't know if you wear
Here.
So I just bought that
Actually,
because it's very simple.
Yeah, I think
don't know what
kapag
design and
hindi ko
ano yun.
mag-curious eh, pero may nakamuwa.
But that one is
A
stud.
stud is fine. Because I don't know magod so.
That's Sir's gift to
Sir.
Michelle.
No worries.
Do you know that we're gonna surprise you?
No.
Okay, very good. That's the goal. That's the
Were you
goal.
surprised? Were you surprised?
Flash siya.
Yeah.
Muna pa rin ko ano ko niya.
Later magdungan tagkuan.
Ako na ipatira dito ba? Uli ni si Sir. Tingnan. Sige na, padayo dito ng arranging kanina.
Pati din yung...
Pati daw yan, naman Sir. Anay mo, magkita mo ito nga mong bigyan cake. Kita mo ka ang kilala ng cake, di ba?
Kita ko. Namin din dito. Pag-upload mo,
Ay, ang yan ako. Sino ka ako na ako, Sir? Wala, pati-pati na ko ito. Wala siya paluhap na sa kabaw sa
Abi na mag-distract. Distract na po.
Namelot ko din siya.
ay, hindi ka nagpangkat ka ito ba? Hindi mo nila ng surprise. Wala may silicon.
Nakilong kami.
We actually got clothes from H&M. Fresh na tayo, guys. And nag-arrange na nga ako. Ito na yung itsura ng ating mga gamit. Ewan ko ba? Mag-haul pa ba tayo? Okay, very quickly na lang ma-haul. So, I bought pants. This one, very lightweight lang na pants, guys. And then, yeah. Ganyan yung itsura na yan. Tamang-tama lang sa aking height. So, I got it. Tapos, I also got a skirt. Now, I'm not even sure. I need a skirt. I'm not even sure if kasha sa akin. I actually have to try it on. And then, I have shorts, guys. Kailangan ko ng shorts kasi nga mainit. Medyo mainit talaga. So, ayan. Shorts. Very comfortable shorts kasi linen siya. That's pretty much all I got from H&M. Oh, very good. Very quick lang. So, I'm just gonna finish packing. I'll try this on first.